All right, with this video, I'm going to show you how I use email, a lot of emails, to make a good chunk of change every single darn day and every single month. And I've been doing this for about 3 years now. If you asked me 30 years ago, would emailing people still be effective? I'd probably laugh and go, nah, the way that technology is, something will replace the cassette with the CD, with the MP3. And of course, oh my gosh, mailers knocking on doors, then all of a sudden email. I think my first email was like early 90s, but here it is, what, 30, 35 years later. And I'll tell you what, email and emailing people, if done correctly, with grace and elegance, it sure in the hell can still work. Absolutely. Obviously, you probably think of social media first when it comes to like, how can I spread information about something? And if you have something for sale, okay, can I do a dance video or maybe show something exciting or just do how-to videos? Kind of like this one, how to email and put it on a YouTube channel, maybe put it on your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and then boom. Yeah, everything I just mentioned is awesome, especially if you already have internet access and a phone anyway. In your mind, it's kind of like free, isn't it? If you do a TikTok about something, because you're probably going to do it anyway. And I love Facebook. I'm a big fan. I think I've been doing Facebook 20 something years now. But my age group, I'm almost 60. I prefer Facebook first, and I love YouTube. But man, I'll tell you what, call me a dinosaur, but I love emailing. So I'm going to show you a link that I want you to check out. You'll see another gentleman talk about this opportunity. And I'm going to kind of just show you how I use it. And right now I mail well over 150 to 200,000 people per day. And this company actually pays me thousands of dollars per month. Awesome. Are you interested? You got 30 bucks a month, a buck a day. This isn't going to be a high cost thing. Okay, I just appreciate your time and watching my videos. So let me shrink myself up. First thing I want you to do is just look at the center screen and order leads today. Do me a favor, just type that in your phone now or your computer. Maybe if you have pen, paper, just write it down. Because this is the way that I ask people, do you want to get some views, likes, clicks, some sales? Are you interested in emailing? Well, I bought orderleadstoday.com. So there you go. I kind of froze it a little bit. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and just put in order leads. Whoop, order. I can never type and do a video at the same time. Orderleadstoday.com goes to this page. And what I want you to do is just watch that YouTube video right in the middle. And if you're interested in joining, you can go to the bottom left and just go to the join MLGS. Okay. Join my lead gen secret. No one really cares about the name of the company. They just want to know it's a buck a day. You got 30 bucks? Then just go ahead, click that if you're interested after watching my video. And I definitely want you to watch this video too. They're not long and they're highly informative. And you can do this. You can do it. Don't worry about it. I've got about 150 emails you can have free. I'll show you what I do. Fill in the blank. Just, alter my email a little bit so it goes to your opportunity, your link, your name. But watch this YouTube video right here by clicking the old button, okay? And like I said, if you're interested, all you got to do is go to the bottom left where it says Join MLGS now, my lead gen secret. So let's go back to a page here that I think you might recognize. It's me, all right? Well, I put the wrong one. Let me put Cory Draper. Like I said, I can't type and text at the same time, and I don't edit my videos if I screw up. I think it's more fun if I make a couple boo-boos. CoryDraper.com. This just goes to a free, I think it's called Linktree last time I checked. It's a handful of my online businesses that make me money every single day, every single month. Most of them are just turnkey. If I go ahead and just blast out, I don't know, 100,000 emails about, let's say, legacy builders, maybe live good. Okay. How about my lead gen secret? That's what I'm doing right now. It's a great way to write an email about your business, your service, whatever, and send it to people. And it's pretty darn fun. It's pretty easy. Let me show you if you got 30 bucks, a buck a day, and with that, you can get 1 to 200 email leads per day, 3 to 6,000 leads. Guys, I know you can do this, okay? So with my lead gen secret, this is where you log in. Okay, so let me just log in real quick. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to send an email. One, maybe one or 200,000. So here we go. When you log in, here's all your leads. When you click that right there, if you've got 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 20,000 leads, they're all simply right there. You just click that tab. Here's some email swipes if you'd like to buy. It's examples of some really nice emails where you just fill in the blank. And like I said, if you join, just get a hold of me and I'll give you 150 emails that I've used. And you can toss them if you'd like, but they're free and they work. Mailing system. This is what we're going to click where I'm going to show you how to produce an email and send it. Statistics. It'll show you how many people not only open your email, but click the link inside. An affiliate. It's nice to make money. This company's I think I've made $30,000 to $50,000 with this company. And it's awesome when I have like, let's say they owe me 200 or 300 bucks. I just click a button and the owner, he goes ahead and just transfers the money to PayPal. And I go ahead and just put it in my bank. Pretty cool. Now, let me show you how I just simply write an email or send an email. Okay, you go to the mailing system, that center tab right there. You can see when I select all by hitting that little select all button, look at just this one account has 168,900 leads. And you can see today, January 6th, I got 200 fresh leads this morning. And if you want, you can only send 10 leads, 200 leads. Right now, I just hit the select all button. So if I want to send a nice little email out to almost 170,000 people, I just click select all. It's in the chute. I go down here. I want to send from Cory Draper because no one cares about my lead gen secret. That's just the name of the company. I want my email sent from me. So I go ahead and click that little button. Now you can see here, I have got hundreds of emails that work, and I'll send you a copy of every one of them. But right now, let's just say I want to send out an email about this opportunity. Right there. 3,000 email leads for 30 bucks. Since it's already written and I love it, I'm going to hit that little button that says load. Okay, the subject right there. See that? Now, you can also see that below here, and you can enter any email that you like. You can make it bold, put color. I have the best success with emails when they're kind of short and sweet. You can read the email in about, 30 seconds and just have a nice link. And you can see right here, just watch now. Okay, let me read this to you. Tough time promoting your online business. Do you need a boost in traffic, clicks, or hits? I know you want to increase your cash flow. This system offers you 3,000 new email leads per month for only 30 bucks. This company does all the email sending and handles all spam and compliance issues, which they do. Earn cash too with their affiliate program. This alone earns me about a couple $1,000 per month, which is awesome. Okay, you must build an email list. It's super important, and it still is, even in 2026. If you join, I'll send you 125 plus emails, and they're subject for free. You'll get really good at sending your own emails too. But click below and watch exactly how I do this. And I have a link that goes directly to uh, the page I'm going to show you. If you go to order leads today, take it easy, Cory, and there's my email address. And if I like what I see, the button down here says click, and you send it. And you can see about 3 hours ago, see right here, it's counting down. A couple hours ago, I went ahead and blasted out 100 and something thousand emails. And right now, in 21 hours from right now, it's about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon in Utah where I'm at. But tomorrow, I'll go ahead and log into this account. And when this thing hits 00, this timer, a button that says send pops back up. That means every 24 hours, I can go ahead and send another email. Then I just wait another day and repeat. And if you have effective emails, you don't have to start from scratch. Like I said, these are all saved automatically right here. Hit that drop down arrow. Look at that. Just tons of emails that work. So I don't have to like write an email from scratch unless I want to. But in this case, I like to promote this, what I just read you. Okay. And remember, you just go to orderleadstoday.com and that's it. And I even made a little business card. Can you see it there in the middle of your screen? I went to Vistaprint. I think it cost me 20 bucks for a big old box. And they'll last me all year because I don't really hand out business cards a lot. But I always have a couple on me. Could be in my car, truck, at home, maybe some in my wallet. But if business comes up and I want to tell them about how to email, especially an insane amount of email, I go ahead and just give them this card that says orderleadstoday.com. And then I'll go ahead and put my email address there, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I don't mind if you get a hold of me. I'll definitely help you. And if you need those 125 to 150 emails, no problem, guys. I'll gladly give it to you for free. But it all starts by going to orderleadstoday.com. And that can go for your Amazon business. Maybe you're in companies like me, Live Good, Save Club. Man, I love Legacy Builders Program. I hope you look into these opportunities. They earn me money. I'm in a new 5 bedroom house with 4 bedrooms. I just put a hot tub in back, and man, I've got a driveway and a garage full of Hummers and trucks and cars and motorcycles. And guess what? All my income that I make online has got me this really cool house, even a little skateboard. All right. It's exciting to make money. I really do believe you can do this. And I'll help you with the emails. This company has support. And I don't think it's that hard. If you know how to write just a simple email that says, hey guys, I have something I want you to see. Click here, send it. Sometimes less is more. Whenever I think I write a crappy email and I'm tired and it's only like one sentence, I send it and it seems like I make more money if I the less I try to over talk the opportunity. Because the goal with the email is just for them to open the email with a good subject and then have something that's compelling enough where they click the link inside that email. And I always have people click to a video like this. I'll put this link on my Facebook, TikTok, Instagram page where I'll say, guys, do you want, 3,000 emails a month for people seeking business opportunities for only 30 bucks? Click here. My work is done. Okay. So order leads today. I want you to check it out. Okay. All right. High five. Thanks for subscribing and watching my YouTube channels. And that's it. Okay. Take care. I'll see you next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.